NVTS up 40.34%. Our targets, we had upper projections. Let's see what we had. We had 6.02. That has since printed 6.02. Next target 7.11, 8.15. We had, you can see this volatility expansion that happened. It was on Friday that happened. Today, it happened and then it contracted today. Now it's on the tier again. Yeah, high prices. Maybe still projected, but ultimately a contraction is expected. It's a 4 hour chart. You know very well what's been going on. It was a company was selected by Nvidia. So let's have a chat with Gemini to see what's going on.
Okay, that's interesting news. What specifically about these technologies are you interested in discussing?
Okay, let's see what we're going to give. Let's see now. GAN fasts. Let's see.
These next generation GaN fast and Gen 6 semiconductors are designed to provide higher performance and efficiency compared to traditional silicon based power semiconductors. They can operate at higher frequencies and voltages, which allows for smaller, more efficient power electronic systems.
Okay, let's see now. We have down here. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's see. I can actually use the microphone instead of copying and pasting. Um, Solid state. Okay, let's see what we can come up with. There's somewhere it mentioned something about today's existing. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Nvidia's approaches to directly convert this. Okay, okay. Let's see. Tell us more about converting.
Navitas's GaN and SiC technologies are being used to build solid state transformers and SSTs and industrial grade rectifiers that can convert high voltage AC power from the grid to 800 V HVDC at the data center perimeter. This allows for more efficient and reliable power distribution within the data center, supporting high power racks and advanced computing needs.
Okay, Navitas technologies are being used to build solid state transformers. Okay, yeah, tell us more about solid state transformers. Let's see.
Solid state transformers SSTs are a modern alternative to traditional magnetic transformers. They use advanced power electronics like GaN and SiC semiconductors to convert power, offering benefits such as higher efficiency, smaller size, and greater functionality. They can precisely control power flow and provide better voltage regulation, making them ideal for demanding applications like data centers.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so in a snapshot, that is what Navitas has been able to help NVIDIA do. So let's see now. Today's says let's see. It's okay. It's GaN fast and gallium nitride and Gen 6 power semiconductors announced. Okay, today announced a collaboration. Yes, as of Thursday, the 22nd, announced a collaboration with NVIDIA on the next generation. Okay, so okay. So that's what they're doing. Okay, so on the next generation 800V HVDC architecture. Okay, let's see now. What is HVDC architecture? Yeah, high voltage. Let's see.
HVDC stands for High Voltage Direct Current. An HVDC architecture is a system for transmitting electrical power using direct current instead of alternating current. It's particularly efficient for long distance power transmission and for connecting different power grids, offering advantages like reduced power losses and better control over power flow.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, so this is where these guys are working with Nvidia in this regard. Yeah. So they to support Kyber rack scale systems powering their GPUs, such as Rubin Ultra, enabled by GaN fast and Gen 6 power technologies. Okay. Yeah. So in a nutshell, that's what's going on. Yeah, we have those projections. Let's see where it's at, currently at 6.16. What did we have? We had NVTS. Where are you? 602. It has broken through that now. Yeah. So next target 7.11, as I mentioned earlier on. Any guarantee that it will do that? Let's come down to the daily chart and see what the projections are saying. Let's see what the projections are saying. 2.5. It's a downward projection. Contraction is also expected to maybe kick in at some point. Let's see now. Stock is now in a bullish trend, but before now, bearish trend. Okay, let's see what the projections are saying here. 6.22 hasn't met that yet. 5.52 down projection. So, will there be anything on its monthly chart? Let's have a look. No, nothing. Very deep downward projections on that on this monthly chart. So yeah, that's what's going on. Just see what you make of NVTS. Thank you very much for watching this video.